Hi there, I've just got Wessex blades. Now this is going to be a sort of a run through of my merch site. It's not the easiest thing to navigate if you end up on the front page as opposed to the shop page, and how to get to and from various products. So what I'll do is, in a minute, I'll bring the camera down and view what I'm doing on the screen and just show you how to get through to t-shirts, the flasks and the hoodies. Because there's been a few people that find it very difficult to navigate it, and I think it's not the easiest site in the world to find the products, as opposed to a front page that isn't actually yet the shop, if you understand me. So if we move this down at the moment, okay, so this is actually my the actual shop page. So if you see, this is the link. There will be another sort of quick link in the description beneath the video, but that is Wessex Blades shop. But what generally happens is that people end up going to Wessex Blades. When you end up on here, it's very difficult to find anything, but what you need to do is go down to the right here, scroll down, and then go to what Wessex Blades is there. If you actually go to shop, click, and then you end up in the shop. So that could be the first issue that people are having problems with, is that you actually got to press shop when you end up finding Wessex Blades and Redbubble. That's like my front title page, sort of like the site, as opposed to the area where you actually access all the merch, as it were. And we got men's, ladies, but what really separates the products are these headings here. That's already part of it. If you go to men's and then scroll down, what that'll give you is the choice between t-shirts, sweatshirts, or some tank tops. And when you actually click on those, now you can go into the different types of t-shirts, graphic, long sleeve, and all the different styles of shirt. Now when you go to try blend, you get a far better olive, if I remember. So now we're in try blend, click on that, and you get the little chappy there with his happy smiley face, and you go to 4 colours, and there's your olive. And that's the colour that you'd most associate with me. When it comes to the other shirts, it's more the bright green, which is like the dark apple green. But if you want the olive, you've got to go on Try Blend. So it's like a sports shirt. So it's pre-shrunk, moisture wicking, so it's quite a high-tech top. As I say, it's a slim fit, so just order the next size up. And they're quite nice, and the red for the girls is quite attractive as well. But once you've fancied that's what you're after, you pick your size and then add to cart, and there's your pricing, sterling. Now if we go back, it should, there we go. So we go to like a classic, and click, you can see that different green. You've seen me with this green before. It's sort of a mid green, but you've got so many colours on the classic. This is basically 90% cotton and 10% polyester, so it's pretty, and in black it looks great. And you can see it's a lot cheaper than the Try Blend. Sort of a charcoal grey, it's a lighter grey. All the different colours there. Obviously the cream, the emblem won't show it quite so well, because I need to be able to do a version of that as a transparency in black in order to contrast with something else. Looks pretty good in burgundy, but anyway, the general choice is black, green and grey. And going back through, there's a couple of different choices in I wonder if it will go back. Here we go. When we start going into the hoodies, so you got to go men's, go back yourself up, and then you can go to t-shirts, sweatshops and hoodies. But it's basically just knowing that when you go to the hoodies, you get the choices there. Oh, lightweight hoodies are more pullovers. The one I've got at the moment is a zipped, and I'm really impressed with it at the moment. The weight of it and the zip quality is really good, and I got that in dark grey. Obviously that's still there from when I purchased one myself, but it looks nice in black as well. And you got two decent pockets. Obviously you got knotted cords so you don't pull through the hood. I got myself a 2XL. It's plenty big enough for me. So that's how you get to hoodies. Go back through, you should be able to find ladies stuff, and there's quite a few different types of girls things that are a different style. So if you go on the women's, I was able to do the tank tops, matte colours is a bit restrictive. Okay. And then the t-shirts, this one here, this is Jazz Cam. So you've got a camo front and a black back, and also there's no choice in the colour because that's what the contrast tank is, and that's designed by Jazz. That's why it says Jazz Cam. So she's done that on a sort of image generator. And there's that nice green in the contrast tank. But the other cool thing that we managed to do is, let's try and find it, women's, is the leggings. Women's. So we got leggings in Jazz Cam, and we got leggings in a repeat. It's sort of a camo mix. There's all sorts of cool things. And scarves. But when you want to buy if you're going in for, let's go shop, the drinks flasks, you got to go household, if I remember, home decor. If you go on home decor, you should see cups. There it is, mugs there. So home decor, mugs. And then all you got to do is that design, or this design, and then choose when you get the drop down. So if you want a Wessex Blades one, you can have a tall mug, standard mug, or a travel mug, of which that's one there. And it's really nice actually. What I'll do is I'll open it up and show you what I've got in there at the moment. So that's the sort of quality of it. It's pretty substantial metal construction with a lid. I got a hot lemon in there, and then put the lid on. You have it to drink, and you click that down, and you sort of cover up the whole of it with a locking flap top. Open the lift. So that's basically a few clues as to getting a bit more ease of navigation on my Redbubble. But if you notice on the top, every week or so they'll do a 20% off. So if you make sure you purchase then, you'll get yourself a far better deal. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope that helps out anybody who's interested in supporting me by getting a little bit of Wessex if it's not a knife, because I'm fully booked and books are closed, whatever, but you can still get something that's got Wessex blades on it. Thanks for all your support, and you should see some links in the description below so you can go straight to it on the link. It's got Wessex blades out. Thanks for your support.